definitely. Let's get it. We're out here. Let's go more. That's an ice cream truck. I'm gonna want to, but so here are lots of kids. They are very ugly. I don't know why, but they are. I don't know why, but they are. So I don't know why the camera is doing this sound. So here we are. Let's give a shout out to James. James, you're very sweet. You're very sweet. You're my friend. My aunt. You're definitely sweet. And for you. So here we are in my house. We're going to have a really good time.